more trades. So Solana has been struggling now for several days below the POC over here. As you can see, it's been almost a week or longer that we aren't able to get above it since the 28th of November. And ever since, we've wicked above today, but we're still under it. Now, that is a concern for Solana. If we look at it on the daily time frame, we haven't really moved anywhere. We're just stuck between the value area low and the value area high since the 24th of November. We haven't broken out yet. Now, before I get into it and give you some targets, please like the videos, subscribe, and click the notifications. Now, I'm going to give you some targets to watch out for Solana. If we are going to retrace to the upside, what are we to watch for? If you try to go up, then definitely a level of interest will be the 15.8 to $16 range. That will be your 0.618 and 0.65. That will be a golden pocket. And if you go higher, then your 0.786 at $17. I posted a video a while back saying Solana to $17 or $5, I believe. I'm still in that position. I'm not sure if Solana is going to make it to $17 or are we going to come lower to the $5 range. Solana, to be fair, looks like Ethereum. It's not doing what Bitcoin is doing. It's doing something different. They haven't broken their June lows, I believe. Solana has broken its June lows. Let's look at Solana on the daily. I'm not sure about that, but for Ethereum hasn't broken its June lows. Okay, Solana has broken its June lows by far. We are below the June lows. But at the moment, the way it's trading is a bit different. Now, if we take this bottom over here, I say Solana moved in a 1 to the upside. This is on the daily. And we came up in a big 2 to the downside. Bigger wave projection, bigger time frame projection, less noise. Then Solana could have, this doesn't really look like a 1-2 setup, but if we came down and this was our wave 2, then that means Solana has retraced about from here to here. That wave 2 came down below, came down to the just below the 0.786. That is a big retracement, but it's still okay for wave 2, and we could be going up in a wave 3. Now, if the wave 3, the big wave 3 could go up to $20 or even higher, 1.618 is at $26. That is where, if we're going up. So if we're going up, then if you want to micro count this, you can say that this wave over here, this was our 1 to the upside and our 2, and we might be going up in a 3. So this is the third wave dissected. And if we want to know how high will the third wave of the third wave go, so we say this is the third wave of the third wave, could go as high as the $16 range or even the $19 range. That will be for starters. And then probably after we finished third wave, come up for the fourth of the third wave, and then a fifth, then come down for a big fourth, and fourth of the third wave, and then a fifth to the upside to that maybe $26 range. That's if we're rotating to the downside. The way the markets are looking, the whole sentiment in the market, nothing's really encouraging to say that we are going to move up. We just need to try to take advantage of these movements to the upside, to the downside. You can see that this move up doesn't really look very impulsive, and this over here is a correction. So could this be some sort of correction followed by another correction, and we're going for another correction to the upside, then we'll come down? It's also possible. Anything is possible in these markets. All I can say is that be careful, and if you're trading on the 4-hourly, then just watch for your $17. You have the 200 EMA and the $18 as the 233 EMA. And looking left, this level will coincide with a level of interest in Solana, previous resistance. And You can see the last time how we sold off from the 200 and 233 EMAs to the downside. And that's it. That's all my update on Solana. Please like and subscribe to the channel. More trades. I'm out.